In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a bill in Xero. Let's start by getting to the right place. From your Xero dashboard, head to Purchases. This is where you manage what your business needs to pay. Once you're in Purchases, choose Bills. That brings up your Bills workspace so you can quickly find what you want to change without digging through other parts of Xero. Now, switch to the Draft tab. Draft bills are the ones you can freely edit before they're finalized. This view filters out approved or paid bills, so you're only working with bills that are still in progress. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct tab. It keeps things simple and prevents accidental changes to the wrong documents. Find the bill you want to modify and open it. You'll land on the edit page where the key details are available. At the top, you can adjust the bill header information. Start by updating the date. This is the bill's issue date and it affects reporting periods, so set it to the date that matches the supplier's document. Next, update the due date. This should reflect your agreed payment terms. It helps your cash flow planning and keeps your aged payables accurate. If your organization uses default terms, the due date may pre-fill. Adjust it as needed to match the current agreement. If you need to capture an additional charge or a separate service, add a new line. Clicking Add a new line creates another row on the bill so you can record the extra item clearly instead of overwriting existing details. With the new row added, select item. If you use inventory or predefined items, picking one here will pull in the standard description, account, and tax settings. You can then fine-tune the description, quantity, unit price, and tax rate to match the supplier bill. If you don't work with items, you can still ensure the set line describes what was purchased and that the correct account code and tax treatment are set. Before finishing, give everything a quick review. Check the totals, tax amounts, and dates, and make sure any added lines are correct. When you're satisfied, click Save. Saving updates the draft with your changes and keeps it ready for further review or next steps in your process. You can return to this draft anytime to refine it again. That's it. You've navigated to Purchases, opened bills, worked in the Draft tab, selected your bill, adjusted the dates, added a new line, selected the right item, and saved your changes. All set for clean, accurate payables.